Amari in the building.
In life, we all face so many problems, such as the ones that will stay today. If we stay put and solve them, then we'll live our lives okay. To find the coefficient, you need to be efficient. And sometimes it's gonna be hard, so you need to get with it. To get a degree, you must go to college. But if you lack variables, you must be a constant. Come on, you guys, it's just common knowledge.
Expressing smaller big numbers is scientific notation. Make sure to inform the entire nation. You don't know what a polynomial is? It's okay. It's the sum of a monomial. Dividing can be such a hard decision, so go ahead and do synthetic division. Polynomials that cannot be factored are called prime, so come on now, don't waste your time. Find a way to leave it all behind. Find a number whose square is n to get the square root. If you don't do it right, you might get the boot. It's not hard to do exponential form. Basically, it's radicals you have to transform. It's so easy to simplify an expression. It's sure to become your new obsession.
Graphing polynomials is not so simple. You need to know their positive or negative symbol. For these equations, you need f of x. You plug in the number and have a little rest. Sometimes we need some tension off her chest. Believe me, this formula will be the one that works the best. Quadratic means ax squared plus bx plus c. This formula will help us in the future, just wait and see. To factor we use product sum or the AC method. Tic-tac-toe, slide and divide, I think that's enough said. We talk about Descartes who came up with sign change. We count all the times when the symbols aren't arranged. We then start to learn rational zero theorem. People find it hard, but I don't think we should fear them. Apparently, P over Q is a rational number, but what they make me do is wanna take a quick slumber. Math was simple back then, my expectations were met. Then algebra and geometry came in with the alphabet.
When the polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, then this illustrates to make clear. When a polynomial is greater than 2, the best thing to use is synthetic division. You know what to do. If you just had a breakup and now you are alone, then you can relate to Duper's polynomial for sure. If the remainder theorem ever has a special case to solve, then it knows what to look for factor theorem to solve it. In every polynomial equation with a greater degree of 0, it has at least a root that to see of complex numbers called the fundamental theorem of algebra. If you ever have an imaginary friend, then in math it is called complex conjugates theorem. If you get stuck choosing some possible zeros, then for sure you can try the rational zero theorem. To figure them out, just use composition of functions of using two functions and combining them out. The inverse relation is a set of ordered pairs, and reversing the coordinates is reporting the pair. Inverse functions do the same, but only this time it's enough function to figure it out. 1 to 1 is when the inverse of a function is a function. If a function contains a square root, then it is called a square root function. If you have an inequality with square roots, then you need to use the square root inequality to solve it all out. There's no need to break your head, so just figure things out and be sure to move on. So put